What is this, Ellie?
Flour.
Yes. And what did we add earlier?
We added oats.
Yes. 1 cup oat and 1 cup flour. Right? 3/4 baking soda. That's excellent. What are we adding, Ellie?
Baking powder.
Yes. How much?
1 teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah, half is fine. Okay.
Now I am adding salt.
Very good. Okay, good. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Okay. I'll give you a new bowl for that so that it's easy to mix all the wet ingredients. So let's start with
The apples.
the apples. So in this recipe, Ellie, we can add any fruit you like. You can add blueberries, any other berries, strawberries, raspberries, apples. Okay? So today we are adding what?
Apples.
Yes, you like apples? Very good. Now you add this in the bowl. Yeah. Very good. Gone? Little bit left. So you were telling me about your studies.
Yeah.
How are you doing it?
Good.
Really? So you are not going to school?
Not really because of virus.
Oh, coronavirus. So you are studying at home?
Yeah. I have online.
Online also. That's easy. Okay. So let's add honey. You like math, Ellie?
Yeah.
You want to clean with this? Ellie, what is your full name?
Eliana Janine Muhammad Dasman.
Wow, mashallah. And which year are you in school?
KG2.
Okay. Oil? Yes, you can add it. Good.
Sugar.
Yes, the sugar. And now what is there? Milk.
The milk.
Yes. Wow. You like the smell?
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay. Now let's add little by little the flour mix. And we also have to add the cinnamon in this.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you, Ellie. You are so smart. Now let me help you. I'll put some there and then you mix.
Okay.
So Ellie, you study at night also?
Yeah.
What do you study at night?
First I do the assignment at the morning and I do the math at the night.
Wow.
So it can take like more time for me to play and rest.
Yes, that's good. We should always maintain a balance. Play and work together.
Yeah.
Side by side. And eat healthy to stay fit and smart.
Yeah.
So are you swimming these days?
Not really because it's coming like chilly, and
Oh.
and I moved to a new house, so the pool is not ready yet.
Okay.
They're not making it because it's almost winter.
Yes. For next year you can get it ready, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sometimes when it's like a little hot.
Oh. Are you getting tired?
But it's fun.
Okay, then that's fine. Shall I hold it for you? You mix it.
Okay.
we are making the topping. What are we adding?
Flour.
Yes. Very good, very good. Now you can add
The sugar.
sugar. You know, there's a song. Sugar, dun, 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 dun. Honey, honey. Have you heard about that? Really? Can you sing? Shall we sing together?
I only know how it sounds like, but I don't know the lyrics.
You don't know? Wow. That's a big word for our young Ellie. Now, shall I add butter and you mix? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep mixing. Yeah, good. So this is the topping and it will make our muffins more yummy.
And healthy.
And healthy. And we need little bit of butter. It's okay. It's also healthy.
Butter's healthy. So that will make our muffins super healthy.
Yes, it will.
See the flour.
I'll hold you mix. Okay? This is okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the butter is now getting hard because the flour is not that hot. That's why. So basically, it's going to be like a crumbly. Very good. It makes it easy, right? To fill them and comes out easily. Oopsie. That's enough. Thank you, Ellie.
There.
And now this is the topping that Ellie and I am filling on top
Of our muffins.
on our muffins. And this will make it even more yummy, right, Ellie?
Yes.
So we can do it. Ellie is a great helper.
Yes.
Excellent, Ellie. You are doing better than I can do. Really? Wow. I'm impressed. Maybe this needs little bit.
Yeah.
Very good. Little bit more we should put. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
We can put here also. Yeah, it's okay. This egg is hard to
Correct.
break. Yeah. Ooh. Good. Very good. So Ellie, what are we doing? Tell me.
This is a topping. It is less, so I cracked an egg and we're going to make a cookie with it.
Yes. So we are not going to waste anything. This is a new experiment. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, Ellie, you can add the egg here.
Okay.
Bring it here and add it here. You want me to help? Okay. Good. Very good.
Now stir it.
Yes, stir it, please. Thank you. And let me get some chocolate chips for you. What are we doing, Ellie?
We're putting oats.
Okay. So now we are creating our own recipe again.
Yeah.
That egg, it became quite moist.
Yeah.
So we thought,
We can use oats.
yes. How much did you put? 1 spoon?
Yeah.
Shall we put one more? Okay. Is this fun?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
super fun.
Super fun. And we are using organic oats. Okay?
Yeah.
And now you can add the chocolate chips. These are around.
Here?
Yeah. Let's mix everything together and let's see what comes out of it once it's baked.
Okay.
There's one cookie.
Two cookies.
Two cookies, yes. I'll move it here so it's easy for you.
Okay.
Let me put it like this. Okay.
The third cookie. The fourth cookie.
Fourth cookie. See, so many cookies we are making.
Yeah.
Let me get it all together for you. Okay, now you can take it. Very good, Ellie. So our muffins are ready and we are trying them. So how do you like it, Ellie?
It's so good.
Nice? Good. So we bake them at 180 degree, Ellie, for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm also going to try it. And let's see how it has turned out.
I think it's so good.
It's so good. You must try it with your kids. Thank you, Ellie, for coming.
Welcome.
I loved having you with me. So much fun, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Ellie.